give you a quick walkthrough of some good things to set up right off the bat. So you go to your settings tab up here and change the name of your funnel, make it whatever you're going to call it. My ClickFunnels tutorial, for example. And then, you know, you got your domain connected. You can associate it here. This pretty much pre-populates itself. Add a favicon, so you got it up on the top there. Head tracking code, body tracking code. If you want to put Stripe in test mode, you can do that with this credit card number here. People sometimes say, well, my Stripe won't go in test mode. You need to actually click it on and then come down here to the bottom and save it. Otherwise it won't stay on. And it gets frustrating, but I get that with a lot of people that need help with their ClickFunnels setups. If you want to share this funnel, this is the URL that you'll give to your people's Zapier, which is an excellent program to do a lot of automation. JVZoo and stuff like that, you don't really need to use these anymore. That will get you the basics changed on your funnel name and whatever. And then if you go into your actual squeeze page, you can get rid of that name by clicking on that little gear there and naming this home or whatever you want to name it. Update the page, and then that'll update the name. So that's about it with that stuff. I can't think of anything else that you guys may need to know to get started, but I wish you the best of luck.